Ah, here you are. You're just who I was looking for. Imagine a world where time could be controlled, where installing a railing would be child's play. Well, this world exists. Problem leveling your rails? It's over. Your glass are non-aligned? It's over. Emergency wedges and overhandling? Again, it's all over. Welcome to the fourth dimension, SABCO. SABCO has created various tools that allow a complete adjustment of your glass railing in all dimensions. Here are the tools for leveling your rails. In the first dimension, master the leveling of your rail in its length and its width. And here are the tools for leveling your glass. In the second dimension, master the plumb of your glass. SABCO wedges have a self-adjusting system. They are available in a one-side version for an easy one-sided installation. In the third dimension, master the alignment of the edge of your glass panes. This new wedge allows you to adjust the alignment of your glass panes in one single tightening, and still in one side. And in the fourth dimension, all these innovations will allow you to adjust your railing so quickly that you will be able to control the space-time of your installation. Are you looking for the easiest and fastest solution to install? Join the SABCO world now, and you will be able to master time with a four-dimensional setting.